I can still hear your voice in my dreams, but I don't know if it's the real you. So far away, but for some reason I can still feel you. I try to close my eyes, but it doesn't help. I can still see you. It's like the sweet smell of your fragrance never ends. It's hard to pretend it's not there because it is, enveloped in the air around me like an invisible mist. I still remember the sweetness of our first kiss, where time slowed down and I couldn't hear a single sound. Had no idea what was happening around me. I was just glad that finally a piece of happiness found me. Waking up in a cold sweat, your memories stick to my skin. I swear some nights my dreams begin with scenes so vivid I feel like I'll lose myself in the past, and if I don't relive these moments, I'm afraid that the few memories I have left of you won't last, and you'll turn into nothing more than a ghost. But of all the time we spent together, it was actually the beginning that I remember the most. Because the first time I made you smile, it felt like the warmth of the sun had made its way inside for a while. I mean, I could try forever to compile a list of things to describe it, but I'd get lost in a sea of words so deep it'd be hard to keep my head up. The tender warmth of your lips made it hard to resist, and even though past relationships had left you in bits and pieces, I promised that I would love you in all your imperfection. The moment your eyes thanked me, I saw myself in their reflection, and I realized then that you had let me in where only a few others have been. What was once shrouded in darkness suddenly became clear. This was the side of your heart where you'd hidden all that you've ever feared, all that you've ever lost, all the regrets you've buried and all the memories you forgot. It's all the nights where you've cried so hard it left you breathless, overwhelmed with disappointment and second guesses. I know it's not easy when every step you take reminds you of a past mistake, when every smile you fake hides the pain you wish you could replace with something other than a burden. The most frustrating thing about love is that it can be so uncertain. It's like a leap of faith. So brace yourself, because you won't always make it. Sometimes you gotta fall face first on the pavement to get a taste of failure, but eventually you'll learn not to fear it. After all, there are few things in this world more resilient than the human spirit. And you know what? It's quite a sight to look forward to a future brimming with life. A future bathed in colors so bright they'll make your heart soar as if heaven itself was right at your feet. And I'll be waiting for you there, in the meadow where we first heard those hummingbirds singing. Their sweet songs always seem to take me back to the beginning.